dear students. I hope you are all safe and healthy. In which topic we have learned in the last class? Different types of habitats. These are grasslands, rainforest and mountains. Yes? Okay. Have you completed your homework? Okay. Today we can study about two types of habitats, fresh waters and oceans. About 70% of Earth's surface is covered with water. This water is found in oceans, rivers, lakes, under the ground, and as ice. Most of this water is salt. 97% of Earth's water is salt. Only 3% is non-salty water. It means fresh water. Most of the fresh water has snow on the mountains and polar regions. Rain, rivers, streams, ponds, glaciers, lakes and underground water are some source of fresh water. Groundwater and surface water are the main sources of fresh water. Groundwater seeps through soil and cracks in rocks. Surface water flows over land, then collects in rivers, lakes and streams. Some of animals found in fresh waters: fish, crabs, turtles, tadpoles. These are some examples found in fresh waters. These are the animals are well adapted for life in water. For example, a fish has special organs like gills, fins and scales that help them to breathe and swim in water. What kind of plants live in fresh waters? Lotus, lily, grass, alga, or some plants growing in fresh water. Plants in the fresh water adapt by holding on when the water is moving in a river. Next type of habitat is ocean. Nearly 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with oceans. Ocean water is salty water. So, it is known as marine habitat. Do you know, children, how many main oceans are there? There are 4 main oceans: Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean and Arctic Ocean. These are the oceans together to form the largest habitat on Earth. In which of the animals can live in oceans? Dolphins, sharks, whales, walrus, seahorse, sea turtles or some of the animals live in the ocean. Oceans are so deep, so no light can reach the floor. Because of this, plants cannot grow in ocean. only few types of plants can grow near the surface. Seaweeds, algae, seagrass can grow near the surface. Many fish found in the ocean. It has light emitting organs that send signals to attract prey. Today we have learned about two types of habitat. What are they? Fresh waters and oceans. Good morning children. How are you all? Okay. Have you referred the book? Yes. In which topic we have learned? About habitats. Is it? What is the meaning of habitats? Habitat is a place where all the plants and animals they can need a basic things for shelter, food, and they can reproduce their young ones. Is it? For example, fish can live in water. Then polar bear live in polar regions. It is a coldest place. So, the water body is the habitat of fish and polar regions are the habitat of polar bear. Okay. Then according to that, habitats can change, differ in terms of climate and the plants will be grow in some other places. Is it? According to that, different types of habitats are there. In which are the topics we have learned already? Desert, grasslands, mountains, freshwater, oceans. Yes. Do you remember in the desert? Yes. Desert is a dry lands. Is it? Desert is a dry land. In which are the animals can live in that desert? Desert is a dry lands because they will get only less rainfall. Okay. Desert is a dry land. So that only few animals and plants can live in the desert. Okay. Only the few animals like camel. Okay. These are the camels can survive in the desert. Without food and water they can survive for few days. Then the cactus plants. Okay. Cactus plants can live in the desert. Okay. Next habitat is the grasslands. Okay. Grasslands is very flat area. Okay. Grasslands are very flat area. Only a big type of animals can live in the grasslands. Which are the big types of animals like elephant, zebra, giraffe, deer. Okay, these are types of animals can live on the grasslands because in these grasslands grow the big size of grass. Okay, big size of grasses. Next one is camouflaging. What is the meaning of camouflaging? What is the meaning of camouflaging? According to their surroundings, animals can change their colors. Okay, according to their surroundings, they can change their color. That is called camouflaging. See, when we compare the desert and grasslands, grasslands get more rainfall. Okay, deserts will be get only less rainfall. Otherwise, no rainfall because that is dry lands. Okay, next type of habitat is rainforest. Rainforest. Rainforest is a region. They will get more rainfall at all times. Okay, so the trees are very tall and they will be grow closer and together. These rainforests have thick vegetation of tall trees and they can grow very closer. Okay, because of that many types of animals can live on the trees. For example, monkeys, gorillas, butterflies, ants, snakes. Okay, these are the types of animals can live on the trees. Next type of habitat is mountains. Mountains are the coldest regions. Okay, mountains are the coldest region. Always in the most of the months, the mountains covers with snow. Okay, the most of the months, mountains cover with snow. So that these regions are coldest region. Then do you know the tundras? What is the meaning of tundras? Tundras means polar regions. Okay, like Antarctic and Arctic. Okay, the polar regions are called tundras. Then which are the animals can live in mountains? Polar bears, walrus, seal, then some types of goats, yak, foxes. Okay, these are the types of animals can live in mountains. Next type of habitat is fresh waters. Okay, fresh waters. Listen here, almost 3/4 of surface of earth. Okay, this is the earth's surface. From here, 3/4 of earth's surface covered with water. Okay, 3/4 of earth's surface covered with water. The most area is covered this water, only salty. Okay, the most area is covered water is salty water. Only 3% covered with non-salty water, that is called fresh water. Okay. Only 3% of water is covered with fresh water. Okay, this fresh water contains snow, mountains, then lakes, rivers, ponds, streams, etc. Okay, these are called fresh water. Only 3% of Earth's surface contains fresh waters. Okay, what is the next type of habitat? Oceans. Okay, last type of habitat is oceans. Almost covered 70% of Earth's surface. Okay, almost 70% of Earth's surface covered with oceans. Okay, the oceans is salty water. Okay, oceans is salty water. So the oceans are called marine habitat. What is that? Marine habitat. In these types of oceans, how many oceans are there? There are 4 main oceans are there. Pacific Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean. Okay, these are the oceans which join together. They have large habitat of Earth. Okay, how many oceans are there? 4 types. What are they? Atlantic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. These are the 4 main oceans. Some types of animals like starfish, jellyfish, whale, shark, crabs. Okay, these are the animals can live in the ocean. Then seaweeds, then some types of algae can live in the ocean. Okay, these are the plants. Okay, in which are the topics we have studied today? Desert, grasslands, rainforest, mountains, fresh waters and oceans. Did you understand, children? Children, now take your book page number 66. Students book page number 66. Fill in the blanks with correct words. Question number 1. Dash are dry lands that receive very less or no rainfall. What is the answer? Deserts. Second one. A zebra hides from its predators by dash. Camouflaging. Third question. Desert animals therefore need special features that would keep their body dash and survive with using dash water. Cool and less. Fourth one. The dash are regions that get a lot of rainfall all the time. Answer is rainforest. Next page. Page number 67. Fifth question. Dash are among the coldest and most harsh habitats. Answer mountains. Tick the correct option. First question. Which of these distinguish one habitat from another? Climate, types of plants that grow there, geography of the place, and all of these. Answer is all of these. Second one. Which of these animals are found in rainforest? Polar bears and camels, sloth and leopards, lion and zebra, all of these. Answer is sloth and leopards. Third question. Which of these is true about oceans? A. They contain salty water and are called marine habitat. They have a wide variety of plants and animals. They cover almost 70% of the Earth's surface. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. And one activity is there. Listen, page number 68. Adopt any one of the following habitats and make a diary of plants and animals found there with their adaptations and pictures. Listen here, 5 types of habitats are there. You should select any one type of habitat. Okay. Then make a diary of plants and animals of this habitat with their adaptations and pictures. Okay, this is the activity for you. Okay, children, refer the book, study well. Thank you.